Twee.com now has an online version, meaning that students can do the Twee activities online. And the fantastic news is, at the moment, it's included in the free tool. Let's take a look. So here is an example of a Twee that I have created. I'm using the free tool. Notice now we have this button here, Assign. I can click over here, and the first thing I can do is I can create a QR code, and the students can access the activity using the QR code. The other option is for me to copy this link and share this link with the students. Let me show you what the students can see. So I'm going to log in as a student. Notice that I do not need to sign in or anything. I can just write my name. So I'm going to write Maria as an example. I click on Start, and now I can read the text and answer the questions. It's very nicely organized. In this particular activity, the students have to do 2 activities. They can submit their answers to the first activity and get their results, and then they can do the second activity, and again afterwards they get their results. Now the teacher can see all of the information when the students have completed the activities. So if I click over on results, I can now see that Maria has done this activity, and I can see that Fred previously did the activity. If I click back and go back home and I want to access the results of another activity, I can click on it, move over to the results, and see how the students are doing on this activity. This is a really great tool, and currently it's available in the free option. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks, and you get sent 1 video every 3 or 4 days.